Good day, ma'am and classmates. So we are the group 13. So for our topic for today is all about the factors in the personal development guide in making important in career decision. So let's talk about it. What is a personal development? So personal development, so we know that this is important in our life. So self-improvement consists of activities that develop a person capabilities and the potential build human capital, facilitate employability, enhance the quality of life, and facilitate the realization of dream and aspiration or inspiration. And also, developing insight into your own life can make your experience more meaningfully. It can also help you better to understand your personal as your person and assert to the other too. And also, as the adolescent, you need to start planning the career you are going to pursue. Factors in the personal development like your preference, skills, interests, and values will guide you during the decision making process. And creating your personal mission statement and vision will be a guide you for a career planning. You may update your mission statement as your values mature over time as your self-awareness increase your ability to increase as well. And there might be challenges along the way, yet as you adapt with skill and face the challenges with a positive mind, it will be worth it. You will enjoy your journey accepting what you attain in life. So, so we have a while working on the best career for yourself. It is a best to consider the following. So here the one of the you need to consider. So here, interest. So interest concept that involves draw the attention of your arouses the curiosity of a person. You may consider analyzing the senior high school subject that you found interesting and that hobbies that inspire you. And second, skills refer to the ability or capacity acquired through deliberate, systematic, and sustained effort to smoothly and adaptively carry out complex activities or job function involving ideas. Third, your family financial capability. Support your study in college should be considered no matter how good your career choice in your family capacity to financially support your chosen and career in the vital. It is recommended to have at least three alternatives. And last, at times your dream career is not that a career that is an opening door for you. You might be consider opening yourself for the other career possibility. For the instance, you dream of becoming of an engineering or what, but did not pass the college entrance or examination in engineering course, then you might consider a 3-year technology course leading to engineering. That is our reporting for today. So activities, write on the yellow pad who you will be after 10 years. So that's all. Thank you, ma'am and classmate, and see you tomorrow.